Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Taken Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to do YouTube automation. So let's get started. For that, we need to follow these steps. At first, we need to find a good topic. After you are done, we need to create a good content and script. You can hire script writers for that. And once this step is completed, next step is giving a voiceover if it is needed for the content. And it can be voiceless videos as well. And after that, we get into next step, that is video editing. We can add audio and edit the video we have created in this step. After that, we are in the fifth step, on which we need to give a good title and make it interesting with an interesting thumbnail. And after that, finally we need to upload video and optimize the video. Once we are done with all of these steps, the automation of YouTube will finally be done. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.